Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I prepared plum marmalade for you. First, I washed 3 kilos of plums. We remove the core. Clean and place all the plums in a pot. Add a tea glass of water to the plums you have prepared. Take it to the stove to cook. Cook, stirring occasionally. Cook until soft. Remove the softened plums from the heat. Pass through a strainer. Press it with a wooden spoon and strain it into the bowl. Where do you watch me? Please leave a comment and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now only the pulp part is left. How was the marmalade? Do you like it? We put it back in the pot. We continue on low heat. Add 3 cups of sugar. The amount of sugar can be adjusted according to taste. Clean up the foam on. Since marmalade will wait for a long time, it prevents it from spoiling. Cook for 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. The consistency will get thicker after it cools in this way. Add the juice of half a lemon and cook for another 5 minutes. We do the jarring process. We do it with new jar and new lid. While the lids must be disinfected. Fill the jars with the help of a funnel. If there is no funnel, dry the mouth of the jar with a napkin after filling. The lids will close better and prevent deterioration. Close the lids tightly. Don't forget to like the video. Jarring is finished. I want to show you one after waiting one night. Yes, now it's time to present. As you can see, the covers are very well sealed. You will love this recipe too. You can try it in breakfast or cookies, cake recipes. Thanks for watching.